As our homes embrace greater connectivity and intelligence, wireless security cameras have soared in popularity for keeping an eye on things from anywhere. SpotCam has appeared as one of the great ones with its Solo line of cameras, offering convenient monitoring through mobile, web, and smart integration. We've been eager to test out their new SpotCam Solo Pro model, paired with the SpotCam Solo Pro base station for connectivity and local storage. In this hands-on review, we will be going through our experience setting up and using this camera bundle to enhance visibility and security around our office entrance. The SpotCam Solo Pro arrived securely packaged along with its companion base station. Opening the boxes revealed the components needed for installation: the camera itself, the base station, power adapters for both, 2 wall mounting kits, a USB charging cable, an Ethernet cable, and a quick start guide. Our initial impression was positive. The camera has a sleek, minimalist design with a black and white color scheme. It feels high quality and durable. Meanwhile, the base station has ports for power, Ethernet, and connecting the camera, while still maintaining a compact footprint. With unboxing complete, we downloaded the SpotCam mobile app on our phone and powered up the base station. One aspect we really appreciate is how quickly the system can be online just using the Ethernet connection, without needing Wi-Fi configuration. After plugging in the network cable to our router, the base station was live. This base station includes cloud connectivity and local storage built in, essentially integrating a lot of convenience and capabilities you'd only get with a full DVR system. And best of all, there's a free 7-day cloud recording plan. We mounted the camera outside above our front door, while the base station remained inside. The provided 50-meter connection distance offered plenty of flexibility. The app walked us through pairing the devices, and after a firmware update, the SpotCam Solo Pro feed was visible. The SpotCam app has intuitive menus and controls for managing the camera. The 2.5K resolution delivers sharp video day or night, with support for infrared night vision and full color night mode, while the 160-degree field of view ensures our entire entryway is captured. Custom motion zones allow focusing alerts on key areas instead of getting non-stop notifications. We set up an activity zone around my doorbell and walkway. Now we only get alerts when visitors approach those locations, rather than faraway sidewalk traffic triggering recordings unnecessarily. The two-way audio is fantastic for greeting visitors remotely. We can check who is at the door and have a conversation thanks to the built-in mic and speaker. Alerts come through instantly when the camera detects activity, thanks to sub-1 second latency. Whether through push notifications or email, we can pull up the live feed immediately to see what's happening. Our favorite feature is the intelligent alerts. Instead of just detecting motion, the camera analyzes events to determine if they are worth notifying me about. This cuts down on false alerts from passing cars or other nuisance activity. We only get notifications when actual people approach our door. The free basic 7-day event cloud continuous recording plan stores 1 week of video clips triggered by motion events. For longer-term archiving, footage can be stored locally on the base station's microSD card, up to 256 GB. Playback and exporting footage is quick and easy for saving important clips. A built-in rechargeable battery powers the SpotCam Solo Pro camera, with up to 6 months of runtime per charge. This battery life is based on over 20 motion event triggers per day, so longevity meets our needs. When power runs low, the camera alerts us, so we can connect it via USB-C for charging. Within just 6 to 8 hours, the battery was replenished back to 100%, so charging is fast and painless. The camera maintains its IP65 weather resistance, even when charging, so we didn't have to remove it from its outdoor mounting for a top-off. It can also be charged using the SpotCam Solar Panel Pro, ensuring year-round, eco-friendly power support. A security camera is even more powerful when it integrates with other smart home platforms. SpotCam builds in compatibility with Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, IFTTT automation, and more. Through simple voice commands, we could view the camera feed on our Echo Show or get alerts announced over our Google Home speaker. We even set up an automation to have our Philips Hue porch light flash red whenever the SpotCam detects a person at night. Integrations like these add convenience and expand what's possible beyond standalone operation. While the core features sufficiently meet our needs, we appreciate the optional AI detection services SpotCam offers through paid plans. Face recognition for identifying frequent visitors, human or vehicle classification to filter alerts, and other smart features can tailor the experience for specific security demands. If we were monitoring more high-traffic areas, the ability to differentiate expected people from suspicious strangers could be invaluable. For our relatively low-activity home, the built-in intelligent alerts sufficiently reduce unwanted notifications without a costly subscription. But the AI service options serve as nice upgrades down the road if our needs change. The SpotCam Solo Pro has made an excellent addition to our home security. It was quick and convenient to set up thanks to the base station's plug-and-play connectivity. The camera has performed flawlessly, capturing 160-degree footage day and night. Motion alerts kept us informed of visitors while avoiding false alarms from farther away activity. Easy recharging, long battery life, smart home integrations, and flexible cloud storage plans make SpotCam a well-rounded standalone camera that also plays nice with larger ecosystems. While the subscription AI services seem useful for heavy traffic locations, they've been unnecessary for our needs so far. The free services have been sufficient for our needs. Overall, we are thrilled with the SpotCam Solo Pro and Base Station bundle, enhancing our place's curb appeal while letting us keep an eye on my entryway anytime. For anyone seeking an easy-to-use wireless security camera, SpotCam checks all the boxes.